Hey guys, Johnny here, your premier real estate agent. I'm here sharing with you another new build, a new home here in the city of La Mesa. It is unbelievable. A 3-bedroom, 4-bath, over 2,400 square feet. It has a built-in, what they call multi-generational building, which is essentially an ADU, which is amazing. You need to check it out. The back, by the way, has an incredible view of La Mesa and Lemon Grove. So if you would like more information, please reach out to me at 619-383-2959. I'll talk to you soon.
Over here, wall tangent. The kitchenette again with the refrigerator, the microwave, walk-in closet, and bath. And we have the open grandma's in. The pantry now sits behind the kitchen island. This is, by the way, we saw it on the other plan. This is my standard quarters.
Okay.
No cleaning. This is the primary. Let me turn on the lights. Yes. So again, we have the independent plumbing, the dual sinks. It has some private bathroom.
Okay. And the single story is a 3-bedroom.
3 bedrooms, 3.5.